Hey guys, Technometry here today to show you guys how to quickly replace your battery on your iPhone. If you guys are looking for cheap parts such as battery or replacement screen, check out the link to the discounted parts that you can find on Amazon and eBay. Usually they'll come with the tool set as well to kind of do the replacement. So this one came with the tool set. If you guys want to see a review of kind of when I bought this battery, check out my channel for that video. The first thing you want to do with your phone is make sure it's powered off. Once it's powered up, you want to take these two screws down at the bottom, as you can see with the hex tool it's called. So we'll go ahead and unscrew these. They should come off really easily. So one screw. Here's the second one. Once you get the screws out, you want to take what's known as a suction cup that usually comes with your replacement kit. Push it on there and then slightly pull it up while you pry it open with one of these tools that you will have, a prying tool. And gently do it because there is ribbons. Sometimes you don't want to tear any of the ribbons, and there'll be more of a headache. So slowly do that, and it should come off nicely. The ribbons are usually on this top part for the iPhone 6 and the 6S. Some of them are on this side, so be very gentle whenever you're doing the replacement. And that will give you access to kind of the phone. As you can see, here's the battery. So we're going to replace that battery right there. The thing we're going to do is take off these two screws right here and then do the replacement. For this one, it's another tool that you'll have. This one that has a 4, like a 4 plus sign. So you go ahead, use that tool to unscrew those two. If you unscrew them, they should come off pretty nicely, and then you'll see this little black kind of strip that connects the phone to the battery. We want to pry that very gently with one of these prying tools, and it will pop up really nicely. You should hear like a click when it pries up. And the next thing we want to do is take out the adhesive strip that's holding the battery down. So these adhesive strips, and be very gentle with it. They're on this side of the phone. These two black things. These are really simple method to take these out. If you don't do it exactly the way it's supposed to be taken out, it's much harder to do it. So the thing you want to do is take these little adhesive thing. It's usually really white, and then you want to pull it out this way. Pull it outward direction. Don't pull it upward, but this way, sideways. So it is tough trying to hold the phone with one. So you're gonna pull it this way, as you can see, not upward, because that will tear the piece. Same thing with this one. Okay. This is probably the trickiest part of the replacement itself. There you go. And yeah, so once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and use one of these tools to slowly pry the old battery. There's some sticky still in the bottom, so this one's giving me trouble taking it off because accidentally pulled it a bit hard. But generally, if you have done it correctly, it will come off without this much trouble. So there you go. So the old battery is out. Now we're gonna replace it with the new one. Pretty straightforward. What we're gonna do is take there's a setup adhesive that comes with it. And we're gonna first lay the adhesive. As you can see, these black tabs, you want to make sure they're out so that the phone can lay on it. So that's the trick to doing that. So put them on like this, and then you can go ahead, put the new battery in there. And the same thing, we're going to put this tab back by gently, pressing it and pushing it the same way that you got it when you got it out. So it should be pretty straightforward. And then you can take these and then we'll go ahead and put back on the disc here. To the lined up correctly. They're kind of tricky to work with. the big one and the small one, so you want to make sure you get the big one. And then get the small one. Yep. Once that in place, you want to put the screen on here and give it a test. And as you can see, the phone is powering back on. And then what you're gonna do is turn it off and then put the last 2 screws in, and that will be done. Hopefully this video will help you guys see how easy it is to kind of replace the battery on your iPhone. If you guys are looking to buy the part, check out the link in the down below in the description. Hope this video helps. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.